volcano is a cone volcano. We're going to erupt it with 6 Mentos.
Oh, is it Mentos?
Yeah, it's a Mentos and Coke one. Anything to say, John? Do you have anything to say?
How'd you make it?
We made it with paper mache. And we... Whoa! It was bigger before!
Go Holly! Mine is a cone volcano and it's made out of paper mache. And like chicken wire.
Okay, and how are you going to make it erupt?
Well, just put baking soda in it. Okay. Yes, it is. It's working. It's coming. Wow!
It's got high velocity.
Oh, it sounds like a movie.
Where's it going?
We should make it volcano and it's like
It's really slow.
It's got high velocity.
Explain to us about your volcano.
My volcano is a cone volcano. It's meant to be a replica of the one on Close Encounter with the Third Kind, I think it's called. And it's a Mentos and Coke one.
How did you make it?
A cardboard chew.
Where's your wooden stick? There it is.
what did stick to the rescue?
Okay, we need a bit of hush.
Mine is a cone volcano. I just made it out of like paper mache, really. And I'm just gonna explode it with vinegar and baking soda. You lose points if you drop it. It'll work.
Put heaps of.
I wouldn't matter if she put.
It looks like lemonade.
Yeah, very good. Okay, Nick, explain.
This is a caldera, and I used it with a balloon so it makes a crater effect. I want it to explode and go all over my face.
I don't want it to pop!
Is that it?
Oh,
It keeps going down.
That's cool. That's cool.
Now do it again.
Very good.
Make it really big.
Is it supposed to pop?
Keeps going down.
Is it gonna pop?
You should have made it real big.
Do it again, but pop it.
Yeah, do it again and pop it. It'll go boom. No. I won't pop it.
It'll get flour all over it.
Yeah, that's what we want to happen.
Very good. So if it then rained, we would have Lake Taupo. Well done. One more time. Do it again.
Oh, he can do it more than once. That's a well put.
Genius, man.
That's wait, did you get the flour out of your cupboard?
Explain what you're doing, Griff.
It's a baking soda and vinegar volcano. It's a cone, and I made it out of dirt and baking soda at the top to look like snow. And I also made a stainless spoon.
That was now for a long time.
Vinegar.
Zip.
Oh, that is awesome.
There's a crab.
Awesome. Yeah.
They look like juice.
Don't say that because that makes me thirsty. It looks like runny honey. It does look like runny honey.
Awesome.
Hey, runny honey, runny honey.
Put all the vinegar in it.
Can I drink some of the vinegar?
What is that?
Yep.
I've made a cone volcano and it's made out of newspaper with concrete over the top.
Is yours, Barry?
And it's the Mentos and Coke volcano. Oh, it's really cool. And I've used mint ones, so we'll see.
Well, we'll see if the boy's theory was correct or not.
What if it was huge as it like
I would stay.
smoking?
They spin. So just tip the whole tube in at once.
That's cool. Oh my god. Yay, man. It works. Sorry, would you look at that, Keegan? It works. We learned something.
It worked.
I made a cone volcano, and at first we put a shampoo bottle on some tinfoil and we sprayed expanding foam like what Todd has there all over it, and we waited for that to dry and we put polystyrene, I think it's polystyrene, in places where there were big holes, and then we put plaster of Paris over it all, and then we painted that, and it's just showing like the layers and the core, and yeah.
How are you going to make your explosion?
With vinegar and baking soda and some food coloring.
Has it got food colouring in it for vinegar?
You should put the vinegar in after you put the baking soda. Have you tested it yet?
Thank you. It's Lennon's Volcano.
Oh, it's colourful.
It's so pretty.
This is my favourite one.
No, that's it.
Just a bottle, then cardboard straps over the thing, and then stuff it with newspaper, and then paper mache.
What did you use?
What? There's hot water, dishwashing liquid, baking soda, and then vinegar and food colouring.
That's nearly exactly the same as mine.
Get it all in.
Whoa! So it looks like the red Powerade.
Yeah, I made my brother drink it.
You want some Powerade?
Looks really volcano is a cone volcano. It's made out of this
It looks like me.
quick drying kind of Play-Doh stuff made out of salt, corn flour and water. And I'm doing a baking soda, hot water, liquid detergent and vinegar reaction.
Whoa! That was straight away.
Straight up.
It's so cool. The Lego.
Yeah, that did it straight away.
Because it was at the top.
Paper mache. It's a cone and it's vinegar and baking soda. And it's brown. Really fat. I can smell cooks. I can really
That would be my place. That truck's really bad.
Thank you, Kennedy.
Volcano. I did it half so you can see inside it, and I use clay, and as you can see I've mixed all of it, and I'm going to use baking soda and vinegar.
Ready? Set.
Oh, it's all
Exploding.
That didn't run on the other side.
Yeah, that weird. We do one side first. Well done, a nice eruption.
I made my volcano out of dirt and then a bottle in the middle, and then we got ash from the fire, sprinkled it around. And I've got food colouring and vinegar inside the bottle. Oh, that's cool. We'd like to put some there.
We just goes on one side. Mine's still spinning.
Oh, it's like
Oh, well done.
Clay and then I put a little cap sort of thing in the middle and cardboard underneath it and clay over the top.
and then mine's only baking soda and vinegar. And it's a lot of baking soda.
It is a lot.
I mean vinegar. Yeah, vinegar. What's that? Flour. Flour.
Viscosity.
To make it thick.
It's pills. That's what I thought it was.
Yeah.
The
I can't even
I want to mix it, Ron. Yeah. Mix it first. Mix it first. Who broke the spoon again?
It's called antiquing, and this is my food colouring. That looks like curry. It's curry powder. It looks like powder. Is it powdered? It's not. It's food colouring.
Mix it up. Mix it up. Yeah, keep mixing it. It looks like curry powder.
Lava already.
And
just drop the whole thing in.
No, don't drop the whole thing in.
Whoa.
It's kind of yellow.
Put more in. You can draw a face on it. It's The Simpsons.
Put more in.
Why?
Put more in.
Who's smoked so far?
It's gonna go in your bottle.
Everyone. It's going to the 30 of the bottles.
You're kind of
No more.
It's a black volcano, and it's a cone volcano, and I made it out of paper mache. It's got a jar, a clear jar in the middle with a boat underneath all my flour and cocoa powder. So, be careful. That's my explosion.
Oh, so it's an ash clip.
My volcano, I made this out of plaster and it's a baking soda and vinegar volcano. Stuff like that. Supposed to go in, get in, hurry up, come on. Yeah, can I please use a funnel?
Yeah, I can get one.
maybe use the other side.
Yeah.
The opening part.
It's right here.
Sort of. Yeah, that part.
Lennon. Bigger circle, please, people. We don't need to be so close.
Get a spoon.
I used to be short.
Stab your finger into it so it comes out.
Oh, use that. Can we put the vinegar in it?
Yep.
Maybe it's too small.
Maybe it's not. Maybe just turn it out of the way.
But it's coming.
Oh. Here we go.
Oh.
That's cool. And I'm gonna do Coke and Mentos. And yeah. How come we have two Cokes? That's just a Coke bottle. No, that's a full bottle. It's empty.
Different technique, putting the Mentos in first.
Yep.
Exactly.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, because
then
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Because then it fizzes up. What if you try to pour the Coke and then like fizzes up into the funnel?
did you eat
Probably not.
No way.
That'd be funny.
Quickly eat them. Yeah, but so then I can have half of it.
Have you tested this?
Not the rest.
Yeah, we can just go.
two volcanoes? Do that. We can just shake it up and then open it and be like, yeah, that's one volcano.
Just paint it two volcanoes around.
Pulling fast.
You need a helper for the funnel.
I want to do it more. Really? Put all of it in. That's a good idea.
Not all of it.
Are you sure? No, we can.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I put it all
Put all of it. Go. Keep going. Jug.
Here it goes. Stick it on.
A cone volcano, and I'm going to explode it with baking soda and vinegar and dishwashing liquid.
Okay.
I don't think I have enough vinegar though. Anyway. So would it work? Wait.
Anybody got some spare?
Yes, I've got a whole bottle.
It's starting to foam, but it's not working.
It's not like much left. That'll do. It's not a terrible.
Thank you, Trey.
Nearly a whole bottle.
Is it a cold beer?
Oh,
Mine was a flop.
Thank you.
Oh, we've had some great ones. We've got footage of them all, so we can.
Yeah.
Yep.
Do a presentation. Assembly.
It's a brand new one.
I know.
It's green.
Put heaps in. Keep them.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
No,
Keep going. Yay.
Holy hell, that looks like...
Thank you.
it looks like snow liquidized into.
It's no light. Oh, look at those colours.
I'm exploding it with baking soda and food colouring and vinegar.
I don't know.
You need funnel.
These two clouds.
Yeah, probably.
That's a bit much.
Well, at least there's snow on the top.
It's gonna mold.
Well, what is that?
Food colouring on the thing. That's bold.
Tamisha, put that away.
Boom. That's cool.
See, it's on a lean. It all goes to one corner.
It's weird how it always happens.
So this is a cone volcano in its early stages. You know, it's still kind of flat. I'm using baking soda and vinegar and some food colouring.
Explode away.
Oh, you should put this on and see how high it goes.
Whoa! Oh!
See, it all
I
goes
don't think it'll be at early stages for long.
Is it?
coming out of the
Good turnout.
Whoa! I made a cone volcano out of dough, out of salt dough and a pump bottle. And I'm using baking soda and vinegar. I forgot the vinegar. And don't need it all. It's snowing on top of it. Oh, and some colouring to make it look cool. Styling.
Oh, you know.
It's gonna be really weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna look it's gonna be more like
It's already got some
it's
pretty
gonna
good.
look maroon.
Yes, I was just too young.
Stand back.
Stand back, my blow. Oh, thanks.
Mix it.
Bit more.
Baking soda.
Hopefully it works.
No.
Finally.
We are
It's made out of a sort of plastic called EPA. Why didn't you just dip the whole thing in there?
Hopefully it's such a rain.
Barry, come down.
You're lucky.
Take a photo of them too.
Whoa. It looks maroon.
It's gonna be pink.
It's gonna be nice and big.
Delicious.
You slipped.
Yeah, take the top off.
I drank it once.
What?
It tastes yum.
Whoa.
It's pretty.
It's like
Nice and red.
It looks like a pink slushy.
Hey, it's shaking, it's shaking.
Looks like a raspberry.
It's not leave it.
Do it. I know what you think of doing.
Storage on here.
I am.
It says you don't have enough storage.
Yeah.
Good boy.
That looks cool. It looks like raspberry.
Too late now.
That makes me feel like a raspberry sundae. Yeah, I really want to drink that. It looks like
This is my volcano. I made it up paper mache in a container.
Did you cut a hole in the on the container? No. That's what it looks like.
Stop.
Oh, I should put the Mentos in first.
No, it doesn't.
No, you put them in last.
No, put the Mentos in last.
Yeah, we tried it with those, but they don't want to.
Why doesn't someone do a volcano?
Why did you get it
shaking
to-
up the bottom?
You got two. No. Take them out and drop them.
Yeah.
Stand back, stand back.
And don't put like just one in, put like 4 in. Put like 4 in to make sure.
Yeah, hold them like this. Just go.
No, you want some to eat afterwards.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 4, and there's like 4.
It's not coming.
Flavor.
No, it works with fruit as well.
This is my volcano. It's made out of a cardboard box with paper mache and, well, the empty nail container. And I'm using vinegar and baking soda.
Stand back.
Here's the commentary. You pause it quickly. Just put the rest of the time.
It's all pink and stuff.
So I just put the rest in. And
More.
stay in the ground.
Look at Karan's one.
It's pinklicious.
They look like
Well done. That's
It'll explode. I'll cut it, and then the water will come out, blasting the magma out, and then form. And then the water will go in, forming a crater. And then yes, I'll show you.
You'll pretend that will rain.
And it's starting to rain.
Pretend that
You should leave it out here, Liam.
Oh yeah, I don't want it on me, so.
There's only water in there. Oh, there's food. You need to scoop your hands, but
Be careful.
the same as we did the other time.
And now,
It'll burn you. It looks like Coke.
now, it is kind of crazy. And now,
It's
it turned into a crater. Now it will rain.
It's raining now.
Forming a lake, and then it will make rivers and lakes and like that.
And everything.